Alrighty, so this is what my screen looks like. I'm gonna go here to the zip file that was in my drive, my Gmail drive. I'm gonna open it now. Like I said previously, I don't know why or how it ended up in my trash, but I removed it from trash earlier today, and I'm gonna open it now. 149 degrees on the computer, and I only have Camtasia open. And now the zip file.
It's a waiting game to see. So could things get worse before they get better? It could possibly in some areas, yeah. Was there an evacuation plan where people supposed to be staying in Wilmington? There was an evacuation order put out. But as you know, some people could do it for various reasons, but not having enough money, not having anywhere to go, are just some of the reasons that we've heard of people were why they stay.
So the zip file only has one video.
They just didn't think it was going to be this bad. When you're out and about meeting people, what are they doing? What are you hearing from them as to what life has been like these past days? It's been pretty tough. I've been in homes where they're going to have 6 inches of water in their living room.
14.56 minutes, okay? That's it.
They didn't think it was going to be this bad. People who went through Matthews didn't really think the flooding was going to be as bad as never had gotten to their house for years. And now they have 6 inches of water.
That's it. And I want to see my download file. So this is going to be 181. It was done on April the 18th. 182. And then I am going to go here, download. Oh wait, before I do anything, I want to go here, applications, preview. Why is preview there? Why was preview there?
18 people have died in North Carolina from floods, and the flooding is going to get worse in many places. So how much longer do you think they're going to need your help? We can be here for a good duration of it. Like I said, we can put supplies together and getting out to the community, everything that they could possibly need to help them locate shelters and the pets. So we've been trying to be very open with the community, working with the community. So we can be here as much time as they need us. You must be really tired, though. Yeah. Very, very little sleep. We get a nap here and there between calls, and we had a very long run the other night.
I already installed GitKraken.
I hope you can keep up your strength. It's really important what you're doing out there. Thank you. Thank you, Brett. Okay. You too. Brett Neely is a member of the volunteer rescue group.
Why did it ask me to install when I already installed?
Earlier today in Wilmington, North Carolina.
Install. Agree. The software is already downloaded.
As you just heard, at least 18 people have died since the deadly storm Florence slammed into the Carolinas. U.S. President Donald Trump.
Alrighty, I'm going to stop recording now.
4 days now, the president has been complaining on Twitter that the Puerto Rican death toll after Hurricane Maria was inflated by the Democrats.